Factoring polynomials. 6.1. So let's see what our first objective here is, to factor monomials. So technically we're not factoring polynomials. We're going to start with just factoring monomials. Single variables. So lots of little tidbits here. So we'll get through this. Multiplying. When we multiply, and this is what we just were doing. We were just doing this. So now we're going to switch over into the factoring. But when we multiplied 5x times 4x, we ended up with 20x squared. We could multiply 2x times 10x, we'll still end up with 20x squared. Negative 5x times negative 4x is still going to be 20x squared. X times 20x is 20x squared, and 2 times 10x squared is 20x squared. Notice there are a lot of different ways to say 20x squared. And so factoring, we're going to need to be able to pull apart each of these different combinations. So it's many different combinations. All these different possible combinations, they're each factorizations of 20x squared. Alright, so let's find factorizations of 15x. Well, we're going to end up with a lot of different ones. Our first one is I'm just going to take out 1x. So we could do x times 15x squared is still 15x cubed. Or I could do x squared times 15x, still 15x cubed. X cubed times 15, still 15x cubed. So I like to do this in a little bit of a methodical way. I could have, now I know 5 and 3 go into that, so I could have 3x times 5x squared, 15x cubed. 3x squared times 5x, 15x cubed. 3x cubed times 5, or 3 times 5x cubed. Is all different ways I could write 15x cubed. Now I think I got them all. I've broken up as many ways as possible, and we're just looking for whole numbers, not fractions that multiply together to get 15x cubed. So let's try this again. Again, I'm going to start off with the straightforward ones of a would be 12ab squared. A squared could be 12b squared. I could do b, 12a squared b. B squared, 12a squared. AB, 12ab. We could do a squared b squared times 12. I could also have, there are going to be quite a few for this one, a squared times b, which is times 12b. A b squared times 12a. And then I can start breaking up the 12, so I could have 3 times 4a squared b squared. I could have 3a times 4ab squared. 3a squared times 4b squared, 3ab, be 4ab, 3a squared b squared, be 4 times 4. Trying to think of ones I haven't come across yet. 3 b, 4a squared b, 3b squared, 4a squared. I'm kind of getting my gist, because I'm going to run out of room eventually, of how I'm going through these and just making sure we've covered all of our basis, which I believe there should be we got the a squared, b squared, a squared, ab, a, oh, we can still do 3a squared b, 4b, 3ab squared, 4a, and so on and so forth till we make sure we got them all. Alright, so come up with the factorizations of these two monomials. Do your best to go through them. We'll talk about them more during class.